Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about what is called mode, how to calculate mode for the three types of series. One is individual, another one is discrete, another one is continuous series. So what is the mode? So mode is nothing but it is the value which has the highest frequency. So for example, I'm having a data 151613. So 1 is having the frequency, more time it has come, so my mode is 1. Okay, so it is having the highest frequency. Suppose if it is having only one mode, it is called unimodal. Sometimes it may have two values repeated at the same time, that I will call it as bimodal. Then three values, I'll call it as trimodal. Then more than three mode, if it is having polymodal. If there is no mode, I can simply write there is no mode at all. So it is very simple to calculate. We are going to learn about all the three in this video. So for individual series, find the value which has the highest frequency, finish it off. That's all. Right? In discrete series also, we are going to find out the highest frequency and the corresponding of x, we are going to find it out. Then for grouped series alone, we are having a formula which says L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F2 F0. What are these 0, 1 and all? So for you to remember easy, I have given like this 0, 1 and 2. This will be from model class. Okay. So this particular value from the model class, that I'll call it as F1, then F2, F0. I can remember. So now model class, whichever is preceding, that is called F0. Model class, whichever is succeeding, that I will take it as F2, right? Frequency of the model class. Okay, so you have to remember this is not preceding. So F0 is the F0 is frequency preceding the model class. F1 is frequency of the model class. F2 is frequency succeeding the model class. So preceding means front. Okay. So after, succeeding means after. This is what we are going to find it out. Okay. So now, how to find out the mode for individual series. So this is the individual series which is given, which is repeated more times we have to see. Then we will find it out. In the next screen, I will show how to do this. See now, find the mode of the following data. Now here, watch out this 13, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 times it has come. Nothing else has come 4 times. So my mode is equal to 13. What is the frequency? It is 4 times. Now we are not writing the frequency. We will be writing the mode value. Now here we'll go for 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, 13 here. Okay, so now then we are going for 14 here. Now 14, 14, 14. So 3 14s are coming, 4 13s are coming. So here also my mode is equal to 13. See, for example, if we have two modes, we are going to write the value of the mode. Now, how to calculate for the discrete series? Now, here in this discrete series, you see which is having the highest frequency. This is what is the highest frequency. You know, I want to check which is the highest frequency. I just mark it. This will give you the model class. Now, this is the highest frequency. Therefore, my 15 will be the mode. Okay, so it is very simple to calculate the mode for this particular series. So now which is having the highest frequency, I am writing it as the mode. Now when we go for the grouped series alone, we are going to check it. Okay, so now these are all the things you have to remember here. We are going to find out what are the values here. L is the lower limit of the model class. F0 is frequency preceding the model class. F1 is frequency of the model class. F2 is the frequency succeeding the model class, and H will be your class size. So now how to do this from this, we'll find it out. So now what are all the steps to be followed here? Find the highest frequency. First, which is having the highest frequency. Then mark it as a model class. We'll mark it as a model class. Find frequency preceding, I'll call it as F0. Find the frequency particular, I'll call it as F1. Find the frequency of the succeeding, I'll call it as F2. I'm going to substitute the values as per the formula. So now we will do it directly. So now, which is having the highest frequency? 3, 4, 7, 6, 3. Now, this is highest frequency here. This is what is the highest frequency. So what is my step says? Mark this as the model class. Okay, mark this as the model class, and you are going to find out the value. Now, which is previous, that I will call it as F0, which is there, I'll call it as F1, which is succeeding, I'll call it as F2. Then I'm going to substitute in the formula. What is the formula for us? It is mode is equal to, I'm going to substitute here, mode is equal to, this is the formula, F1, F0. I'm going to show and write it here. I'm going to change the color so that it is visible. So my mode is equal to L plus, I'll put a bracket always, F1 minus F0 divided by, see what else I have given. Sometimes they will give it as 0, 1 and all, 1, 2, 0, right? So now F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H I'm going to write. So I'm going to substitute here. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 40. So I'll call it as L. So 40 plus what is my F1 is 7, my F0 is 4 divided by 2 into what is my F1 is 7 minus what is my F2 is 6, then F0 is 4. Then into 5, I'm going to write this is H. Okay, so distance between the class size. Okay, what is the class size? The difference I'll write it as 5. Then it is 40 plus this I'm writing 7 minus 4, 3. So it is 14 minus 10 into 5. So this is what I'm going to calculate. 40 plus this is 3 by, see now, 4 into 5. So 15 by 4, I'm going to calculate this. 40 plus, so now 15 by 4. So I'm going to calculate 15 by 4. I'm calculating 4. 3, okay, 0, I'll bring it. 7, then 2, 0, 3.775, right? So I'm going to write 3.75. So it comes around 43.75 is my mode. Okay, that is how I'll calculate mode using a formula for continuous series. So calculating mode is always interesting and it is easy. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.